It's 2 a.m., you're tired, you're hungry, and sitting in front of you, an entire extra spicy pizza. You tell yourself you'll eat just one slice, but 20 minutes later, the entire pizza is gone. Now your stomach is about to start a chemical reaction you probably never think about. Because eating a spicy pizza at 2 a.m. triggers a chain reaction involving acid, nerves, hormones, and even your brain. And what happens next inside your stomach is surprisingly intense. The moment that first bite hits your tongue, your brain sends a message to your stomach. It says, "Food incoming, prepare digestion." Your stomach immediately begins releasing hydrochloric acid. This acid is incredibly powerful. In fact, stomach acid has a pH between 1 and 3, which is strong enough to break down meat, fats, and proteins. But spicy pizza adds a twist, because spicy peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, and capsaicin doesn't just add heat, it activates pain receptors in your mouth and digestive system. Your body interprets it as burning, even though there is no actual fire. As the pizza enters your stomach, 3 things happen at once. First, your stomach stretches. Stretch receptors signal the brain that a large meal has arrived. Second, your stomach releases even more gastric acid to break down the fats and proteins in cheese and pepperoni. And third, capsaicin from the spicy peppers stimulates your digestive nerves. This can cause your stomach to release even more acid than normal. Normally, your stomach protects itself using a thick mucus barrier. But if you eat a large, spicy meal quickly, that acid level can spike, and that's when people begin to feel something familiar, a burning sensation in the chest, also known as acid reflux. Here's the problem with eating pizza at 2 a.m. After eating, most people do one thing. They lie down, and when you lie down, gravity stops helping keep stomach acid where it belongs. Normally, a muscular valve called the lower esophageal sphincter keeps acid in the stomach. But spicy foods and fatty meals can temporarily relax this valve. So when you're lying down after eating, stomach acid can creep upward into the esophagus. That burning feeling people call heartburn is actually stomach acid touching tissue that isn't designed to handle it. But the effects don't stop in the stomach. That spicy pizza continues its journey. Capsaicin stimulates nerves in the digestive tract. For some people, this can increase intestinal movement, which is why spicy foods sometimes cause unexpected trips to the bathroom the next morning. Your digestive system is basically saying, let's move this along. Meanwhile, your pancreas and gallbladder release enzymes and bile to break down all that fat from the cheese. Digesting a heavy pizza can take 6 to 8 hours, which means your stomach may still be working long after you fall asleep. You might wonder, if stomach acid is so strong, why doesn't it digest the stomach itself? The answer is one of the most fascinating protections in the human body. Your stomach lining constantly produces mucus and bicarbonate, creating a protective barrier against its own acid. And stomach cells regenerate quickly to repair damage, but problems can happen if that protective system weakens. That's when acid can irritate the lining, leading to gastritis or ulcers. For most people though, one spicy pizza at 2 a.m. won't cause permanent damage. But it might guarantee something else. When morning comes, your digestive system may still be dealing with last night's pizza. Some people wake up with acid reflux, bloating, mild stomach discomfort, or increased bowel movement. That's your body finishing the job of processing a large late-night meal, and the spiciness just made your digestive system work a little harder. So, what really happens when you eat an entire spicy pizza at 2 a.m.? Your stomach releases powerful acid, capsaicin activates digestive nerves, fat slows digestion, and lying down makes reflux more likely. Your body handles it, but it definitely doesn't ignore it. The next time that late-night pizza craving hits, just remember, your stomach is about to run an overnight chemistry experiment. If you enjoy learning what really happens inside your body, subscribe for more videos explaining the hidden science behind everyday habits, because the human body is doing incredible things most people never notice. But here's something even stranger. People always say if you swallow chewing gum, it stays in your stomach for 7 years. But that's not actually true. So what really happens inside your intestines when you swallow a piece of gum? Does it get digested? Or does it travel to 34 now when trotster? Wordoutsur au and drow vertraumu au pendau cordi porbro and durder outstau owerder dower au and dirty and intact. In the next video, we'll follow a piece of gum through your entire digestive system.